Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we have for you a beautiful late 2019 on a 69 plate Volkswagen Transporter Kombi short wheelbase. This is the bi-turbo 204 PS version. DSG gearbox, it's got a huge factory spec. A load of extras on top of that done aftermarket. As you can see, it's got the full ABT front end here. LED headlights, very expensive option. And also the front parking sensors, which were another option. 2 years old, done 25,000 miles, so I'm going to take you around, show you the condition. It's a lovely, lovely vehicle. We'll point out any little marks and stuff that we see going around. There's the odd little chip on the front here. Little chip there, mark on the front bit. It's been 2 years old and 25,000 miles. You've got to expect the odd little stone chip and bit that's touched in. See, it's got the sidebars there too. 20-inch gloss black LV2 alloy wheels with brand new Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres on it. So they're the all-weather tyres. Got lowering springs too, so it sits really nice. Full gloss black styling pack. Mirror surrounds, caps, and the side repeaters too. Full privacy glass to the rear here. It's got the roof bars as well. It's got a full leather interior with a red contrasting stitch. Now this one's got the Caravelle dash, which is so much nicer than the standard Kombi dash. And also has factory heated seats, the front and rear park sensors as we mentioned. Now it's also had a very expensive Kenwood stereo upgrade with reversing camera and some extra Audison speakers. Now any of you that have looked at the cost of putting Audison on, it is quite a dear thing to do, so it's a nice extra to have. And you'll see the twin electric sliding doors. As we move into the back, it's got the 2+1 rear seat, so it is a 5-seater. Fully suede lined on the roof all the way through. Got the 2 LED lights there. Now this has got the VW carpeted bulkhead in. Really good for taking sound out the back and also for creating a sort of safe, secure storage area. Now that can be easily taken out if you don't want it in there. We've also got a double USB charger just here. Handy for anybody in the back. We'll just have a look along the side here. Nothing to note down there. Rear tyres, Uniroyal Rain Sports, and they are not far off new as well. On the rear, being debadged, so nice clean look. Smoked rear lights and the black badge. Load area, lovely and tidy. Carpeted around the metalwork, and again the nice suede panels on the side there and the roof. Got these 2 really handy little tailgate lights as well. Perfect for if you're loading at night. Just give you a bit of extra vision, so you can see what you're doing. Power latching tailgate there as well, so it just sucks it in. Rear camera as mentioned, and also the carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. We're dent free down the sides, lovely and straight, and we'll just go over all the panels. Show you how nice it is. No nasty chips in the screen there. And looks absolutely superb from the side. Just with that lowered stance, and the extra styling bits. This one's got power fold mirrors too. Has got adaptive cruise control, another extra. Mileage 24,549. Now this is still under Volkswagen warranty until late 2022. Volkswagen roadside assistance until then as well. Serviced up to date. So ready to go, arguably the best colour. Real nice styling pack and a load of extras there. You'll see the full description along with 20 plus photos on our advert at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We do welcome part exchanges and we can offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, just give us a shout and we'd love to have a chat to you about it. Thanks for watching.